Breastfeeding is a beautiful and rewarding journey, but it can also be time-consuming. Between feeding sessions, pumping, and managing everyday tasks, new moms often feel overwhelmed. That's why time management is key. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you balance breastfeeding with daily life, from scheduling feeds effectively to using technology for tracking and optimizing your time. Stick around for expert tips on making breastfeeding easier while still managing work, self-care, and family responsibilities. If you're a busy mom looking for ways to streamline your breastfeeding routine, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and parenting insights. Let's start with understanding newborn feeding patterns. In the first few months, babies nurse every 2 to 3 hours, meaning a well-structured schedule can help reduce stress. Using an app like Huckleberry or Baby Tracker can help log feeding times and establish a rhythm that works for you. For moms who pump, strategic pumping sessions can save time. Power pumping, pumping for short bursts with breaks, can help increase supply efficiently. Hands-free pumps like LV or Willow allow multitasking, so you can pump while working or relaxing. Planning ahead is another great time-saving strategy. Prepping breastfeeding stations with essentials like water, snacks, and burp cloths can reduce unnecessary interruptions. Keeping a nighttime feeding kit by your bed with pre-filled bottles or nursing pillows makes those late-night feedings easier. Support systems are crucial. Partner involvement, family help, or even joining breastfeeding support groups online can help you manage your time better. Have you found a time-saving breastfeeding hack? Share it in the comments. Mastering breastfeeding while balancing other responsibilities is possible with smart scheduling, the right technology, and a solid support system. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and technology insights. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to managing breastfeeding and daily life? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.